Baby, can you talk to me? Talk to me. Baby, can you talk to me? Talk to me. Baby, can you talk to me? Talk to me.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today it's honey garlic salmon. So I started off with 1/4 of a stick of butter melting in your pan on pretty much medium-high heat, but I ended up using 1/2 a stick of butter here for this recipe. So you want to get that butter all melted down and all sexy and sizzly. I've got about maybe a little less than 3 tablespoons of honey, and I've got 1 heaping tablespoons of garlic paste. I actually like garlic paste when I don't have fresh garlic on hand. It's a little bit better than the powder, and if you can't find that minced garlic in the jar, then garlic paste is your friend. Full of flavor, full of flavor. So I mix and incorporate that all together. Then I have 2 beautiful fillets of salmon, skin side down. I did have the skin left on because that's just my personal preference. You are free to take them off as you see fit. Here I add some ground red pepper, white pepper, and a little bit of salt, and then I start spooning all those delicious ingredients on top of our salmon here. And I'm only going to cook this for a little bit, maybe about 1 to 2 minutes, because I'm going to let the oven do the rest. So while that's cooking, I'm going to take this lemon. I'm going to use half of it for the juice in the pan, and then the other half I'm going to cut it into into fourths, so that I can lay it in the pan for extra flavor while it's broiling. And then I have an orange pepper. That's just my personal preference on taste. You're welcome to use a red one or a yellow one. I don't think green kind of goes with it, but you're definitely welcome to use that as well. And even those little small sweet peppers, ooh, those are really good. So you can add that as well. So what I do here is I squeeze in my lemon juice after it's been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. Squeeze it on the salmon and into the bottom of the pan for that glaze. Get it all nice and sexy, yay! And then I just put in my cut up peppers, and I lay in the lemon slices as well after I spoon a little bit more of that honey garlicky buttery mixture there. So after we've got it cooking for this amount of time, and I just added a little bit of cilantro on top. That's just optional and it's for personal taste. A lot of people don't like it, but I love it. So I have my oven on 400 degrees, and I'm going to cook the salmon for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it's done. And voila, it's all bubbly and delicious, and it's a glazy goodness. And I just spooned some of that delicious glaze on top, and now it's time to eat. See, what happened was I had a potato, but I decided to go in on the salmon just right away, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.
Tell her what I want, what I really, really want is a Spice Girl. Sick, I fuck up.